Hi everyone! Today we would like to share with you the most phrasal verbs that have been used most in IELTS exams. These phrasal verbs are categorized by topic such as education, family, travel, etc. So please open your notebook to take note of them. These phrasal verbs may help you get a high score in IELTS speaking and writing part. Let's get started. Topic: free time, hobbies. Chill out, rest up. At the end of the year, many people decided to go on vacations to rest up and chill out after a competitive season. Take up. I took up volleyball as I felt I had to lose some weight. Get into. I believe that when you get into a particular kind of work or activity, then you will manage to become involved in it. Give up. He suffered a serious injury that obliged him to give up on playing soccer. Join in. In the summer, I usually engage in outdoor activities by joining in community service groups. Hang out. In my leisure time, I usually hang out with my friends at the shopping mall. Keep up. We often start different hobbies throughout our life, but we don't always keep them up for very long. Topic: food, cooking. Boil down. My mom boiled down the leftover sauce to make it more flavorsome. Boil over. Jenny was cooking her chicken noodle soup on high heat and it boiled over. Chop up. The chef is chopping up the truffle mushroom for his signature dish. Cut back. Steve is lactose intolerant and he has to cut back on dairy. Eat out. My family and I eat out once a week on Sunday. Whip up. My family had surprise visitors yesterday, but my mom managed to whip up a light meal for them. Cut out. After preparing the fruits, my sister cut them out to decorate for a dessert dish. Topic: work. Carry out. The crews are planning a 5-hour spacewalk to carry out necessary repair work on the shuttle. Take over. In the next few years, ABC Company will take over the small businesses. Take on. Our company is taking on new staffs at the moment. Hand in. John has already handed in his report. Layoff. Due to bankruptcy, the company has to lay off 200 employees. Call off. Jenny's daughter admitted to the hospital this morning, so she decided to call off from work. Slack off. Most of the workers usually Topic: Weather. Clear up. According to the weather forecast, it will clear up later in the day. Cool down. After the pouring rain, the temperature has cooled down a little. Come out. As we were about to leave the campsite, the sun came out. Go in. The sun had gone in and it was starting to get darker. Warm up. I love spring because the weather starts to warm up. Blow up. During the storm, many trees were blown up by the vigorous wind. Cloud over. The weather in my city is usually pleasant, but sometimes it clouds over. Pour down. All of a sudden, the rain starts to pour down and everyone is seeking for shelter.